In an era defined by consumerism and materialism, achieving financial success can seem like an elusive goal. However, the ancient philosophy of Stoicism offers timeless wisdom and practical guidance for navigating the complexities of modern finance. By embracing Stoic money rules, individuals can cultivate discipline, resilience, and wisdom on their journey toward financial prosperity. Stoicism, founded in ancient Greece by philosophers such as Epictetus, Seneca, and Marcus Aurelius, emphasizes principles of self-control, virtue, and acceptance of the natural order of the world. While Stoicism is often associated with personal ethics and moral philosophy, its teachings are equally applicable to matters of wealth, finance, and material possessions. Before we dive into the lesson, make sure you have liked the video and subscribe to the channel, as this video is of utmost importance, and make sure you don't skip the video, as the last 2 points are the most important. Let's get down to the business, shall we? Number 1. Live within your means. Living within your means is a fundamental principle of financial stability and success. Here's how you can practice moderation and frugality to ensure you're living below your income level and avoiding unnecessary expenses. Start by tracking your income and expenses to understand where your money is going. Create a budget that allocates your income towards essential expenses, savings, and discretionary spending. Prioritize your spending by distinguishing between essential needs and discretionary wants. Focus on covering your basic needs such as housing, food, utilities, and transportation before indulging in non-essential purchases. Review your expenses regularly to identify areas where you can cut back. This might include dining out less frequently, canceling unused subscriptions or memberships, or finding cheaper alternatives for everyday items. As your income increases, resist the temptation to upgrade your lifestyle proportionally. Instead of increasing your spending, prioritize saving and investing the additional income to build long-term wealth. Number 2, be ready for the storm. When faced with a financial setback, take a step back to assess the situation objectively. Understand the root cause of the setback, whether it's unexpected expenses, job loss, or poor financial decisions. Reflect on the decisions and actions that led to the setback. Acknowledge any mistakes or missteps you may have made and use them as learning opportunities. Understand what went wrong and how you can avoid similar pitfalls in the future. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from adversity stronger than before. Use the experience of overcoming financial setbacks to strengthen your resilience muscle. Focus on developing coping strategies, problem-solving skills, and emotional resilience to navigate future challenges. Use the lessons learned from the setback to adjust your financial plan and goals accordingly. Re-evaluate your budget, savings strategy, and investment approach to better align with your financial objectives and risk tolerance. Don't hesitate to seek support from friends, family, or financial professionals during challenging times. Surround yourself with a supportive network that can offer guidance, encouragement, and practical assistance as you work through the setback. Number 3, focus on the value of wealth, not the accumulation of possessions. True wealth lies in the quality of your life, not the quantity of possessions you own. Invest your time and resources in experiences that enrich your life, such as travel, hobbies, and cultural activities. These experiences create lasting memories and contribute to your overall well-being far more than material possessions. Build and nurture meaningful relationships with family, friends, and community. Invest time and effort in fostering genuine connections, offering support, and creating shared experiences that bring joy and fulfillment to your life. Dedicate yourself to continuous learning and personal development. Set goals for self-improvement, whether it's acquiring new skills, pursuing education, or cultivating hobbies and interests that bring you fulfillment and enrichment. Embrace minimalism and simplify your lifestyle by decluttering and reducing unnecessary possessions. Focus on quality over quantity, surrounding yourself only with items that serve a purpose or bring genuine value and joy. Number 4, grateful of what you have. Take time each day to reflect on the things you're grateful for in your life. Whether it's your health, relationships, opportunities, or even small moments of joy, acknowledging and appreciating these blessings can help shift your focus away from what you lack. Start a daily or weekly gratitude journal where you write down things you're grateful for. This practice can help you cultivate a mindset of gratitude by regularly reminding yourself of the abundance in your life, no matter how small. Practice mindfulness and be fully present in the moment. Instead of dwelling on past regrets or worrying about the future, focus on appreciating the here and now. Engage your senses and savor the simple pleasures of life, whether it's a warm cup of coffee, a beautiful sunset, or a conversation with a loved one. Challenge negative thoughts and perceptions by reframing them in a more positive light. Instead of focusing on what you don't have, focus on what you do have and the opportunities it brings. Recognize that true wealth isn't measured by material possessions, but by the richness of your experiences and relationships. Cultivate gratitude by giving back to others and helping those in need. Whether it's volunteering your time, donating to charity, or simply offering a kind word or gesture, acts of generosity can foster a sense of gratitude and abundance in your own life. Number 5. Invest in yourself. Commit to lifelong learning by staying curious and seeking out new knowledge and skills. Take advantage of educational opportunities such as online courses, workshops, seminars, and certifications to expand your expertise and stay relevant in your field. Define clear goals for your personal and professional development and create a plan to achieve them. Break down your goals into smaller, manageable steps and track your progress along the way. Regularly reassess and adjust your goals as needed to stay on track. Actively seek feedback from mentors, colleagues, and peers to identify areas for improvement and growth. Constructive feedback can help you gain valuable insights into your strengths and weaknesses and guide your development efforts. Build and nurture relationships with professionals in your industry or field of interest. Networking can provide valuable opportunities for learning, collaboration, mentorship, and career advancement. Attend industry events, join professional associations, and engage with online communities to expand your network. In conclusion, by embracing Stoic, inspired money rules, you embark on a transformative journey toward financial success and fulfillment. Through focused attention on what you can control, prudent living within your means, and the cultivation of gratitude and resilience, you lay the groundwork for a life of abundance and contentment. Remember, true wealth is not measured solely by the size of your bank account, but by the richness of your experiences, the depth of your relationships, and the growth of your character.